Guys, we should discuss Jasmy, since when I see Jasmy last time we raised the coin viewpoint here, she asked me was around I trust 3/4. It was in a real sense family $3,400 for 1 million tokens, and let me quit seeing family since certain individuals need me to the truly don't say family. Causes me to feel like it's like individuals are so disparate in the digital money space. The explanation I say family is on the grounds that I view it as a local area. It's not on the grounds that I'm in a real sense like anticipating that you should, give your shirt off the back to me. I'm saying it's simply, it's a local area thing, man. You all be so delicate with specific circumstances, however. That is neither anywhere, yet. Family Jasmy Coin. Okay, right, currently is 45,104 million tokens. At a certain point it was 34,104 million tokens. So we perceive how quick digital money moves, and I realize many individuals would agree. Well, where did you get to the $1 cost from, or the $47 billion market cost? I essentially took a gander at the Jasmy utility tokens, the organizations, the group, and I posed myself the inquiry, do I accept $47 billion would fill Jasmy? And I accompanied the N family just in light of all that I've seen inside the Jasmy local area, the utility group, the item that procures income, the solid PC, the adaptation of information and shielding individuals' information from being utilized by this organization, which is something immense. Family. I just felt like if Jasmy would get institutional interest, I wouldn't. I can't understand the reason why $50 billion can't highlight Jasmy, particularly checking out image coins and image stocks and how high those market covers. We've seen various valuations. So not just this, Japan crypto regulations eliminate undiscovered increases charge for local tokens. So Jasmy is a local badge of Japan, so it will have any kind of hidden gains charge on this token and other bullish impetus here for the Jasmy token, where individuals are currently contrasting Japan to Dubai. Yes, family, another crypto center point. Also, what do you believe will keep on occurring? More nations will become crypto centers. More states in the states will become crypto centers. Before long the entire world will be a digital currency center. I simply need to conform to projects that the group lines up. The utility, it has a genuine use case. It in a real sense has an item, and we see the story working for Web of Things, brilliant gadgets, savvy coolers, shrewd vehicles, shrewd television, brilliant urban communities. Jasmy lines up as I would like to think. As a crypto project that, just based off the floor that we're seeing, we could see a few decent gains, in addition to it's not exactly a little cap. You know it. It has $230 million market cap, so it's been around, individuals are familiar it. It is very nearly 100% down. So many individuals locally would agree. Indeed, hello Millie, I've been holding this task from that point forward, yet not many individuals will quite often discuss the glaring issue at hand, which is the tokenomics change. Dislike it went close to 100% down since it was only a floor covering pool. It went through certain progressions with the tokenomics which caused a response in the cost. Yet, the establishment actually hasn't changed here for the Jasmy token. So me by and by, I'll proceed to, work to arrive at my objectives here with the Jasmy token, investigating the cost from an everyday we are, getting dismissed here. Be that as it may, at last it seems as though we may break the multi-day moving normal, and the following stop would be the multi-day moving normal. So ideally we could transform these moving midpoints into help. At the present time I would need to see some sort of retest. I'm not believing the break of the multi-day moving normal without seeing some sort of retest on the grounds that we have such a lot of obstruction here. I would need to see Jasmy obviously break this opposition and for me to be like, alright, we're bullish. So I simply haven't quite recently seen that yet. Besides it's difficult so that me could see that incident, seeing that the stock RSI here is a piece overbought moving over this line at 99.90. What's that, 9,395? So we'll simply need to perceive how all that ends up. This is great DCA levels, particularly assuming you purchased at the tops. Alright, not monetary council, but rather these are not awful levels. I know the 3, for level. Many individuals love that since they offered you a chance to get 1 million Jasmy tokens for a smidgen more than 3,000. So we'll simply need to perceive how all that works out. Once more, 47 billion, that has forever been my number. $1 I would rather not, don't discuss anything beyond that. I realize many individuals need to say, well, might we at any point get the dime? Could we at any point get the 50 cents? It makes perfect sense to me. I get it. My number is $1, your number is your number. So you all let me in on your opinion on Jasmy utility, the new crypto regulations in Japan. Guys, that is a big update. If you guys enjoy the content, you want to stay up to date. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.